Welcome to today's tutorial, where I'll walk you through the simple steps to remove your profile picture on Telegram. Whether you're refreshing your look or prefer a clean, image-free profile, this guide has you covered. Let's dive right in. First, unlock your device and open the Telegram app. Once you're in, look for the 3 horizontal lines stacked in the top left corner of the screen. This is your gateway to the app's main menu. Tap it to reveal a list of options. Next, locate your profile photo at the top of the menu. It's usually displayed in a circular frame. Give it a tap. This will open your profile settings. Here, you'll see your current profile picture along with any others you've uploaded over time. If you've used multiple photos, swipe left or right to cycle through them until you find the one you want to delete. Now, focus on the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice 3 small dots arranged vertically. Tap these dots to open a drop-down menu with several actions. From the list, select Delete. Telegram will ask you to confirm this choice. Just tap Delete again to finalize. And just like that, the photo vanishes from your profile. If you've used multiple images and want to remove them all, repeat the process. Swipe to the next photo, tap the 3 dots, and delete. Keep going until your profile is free of images. For those wondering what happens after deletion, don't worry. Your contacts will no longer see the removed photo, and your profile will default to a blank silhouette. If you change your mind later, you can always upload a new picture by following similar steps. That's all there is to it. In under a minute, you've cleaned up your Telegram profile. Whether you're embracing minimalism or just keeping things fresh, managing your online presence has never been easier. Thanks for following along, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.